Pydantic AI's Agent class serves as the central interface for interacting with large language models, encapsulating configurations like model settings to fine-tune model behavior. This agent is initialized with a name and a dynamic model settings parameter, which allows for adaptive control over the model's temperature based on the execution context. The following code demonstrates the instantiation of a Pydantic AI agent, specifically configuring its model settings to dynamically adjust the temperature parameter of the underlying language model during a run. From Pydantic AI Import Agent, Model Settings. Agent equals agent. Test. Model settings equals lambda CTX. Model settings. Temperature equals 0. 0 if CTX. Run step less or equal 1 else 0.7. This agent initialization demonstrates dynamic model settings configuration, where the temperature parameter is conditionally set based on the CTX. Run step. By providing a lambda function to the model settings argument, the agent can adjust its generative behavior, specifically its creativity or randomness, during different stages of a multi-step run. This allows for fine-grained control over the LLM's output, enabling more deterministic responses in initial steps and more exploratory ones later. This approach leverages the run context to access runtime information, such as the current run step, to modify model parameters on the fly. This is particularly useful in complex agentic workflows, where different phases of interaction might require varying degrees of model determinism. For example, a planning phase might benefit from lower temperature, while a content generation phase might require higher temperature. The model settings object encapsulates these configurable parameters, providing a structured way to manage LLM behavior. Let's break it down line by line. From Pydantic AI Import Agent, Model Settings. Imports agent and model settings from the Pydantic AI library. Agent serves as the core class for building AI agents, while model settings allows for fine-tuning model behavior. Agent equals agent. Initializes an agent instance, which serves as the central class for building an AI agent within the Pydantic AI framework. Test. Defines a string literal with the value test. Model settings equals lambda CTX. Model settings. Assigns a lambda function to model settings that, when called with a context, CTX, instantiates a model settings object. Temperature equals 0. 0 if CTX. Run step less or equal 1 else 0.7. Assigns the temperature parameter a value of 0 if CTX. Run step is less than or equal to 1, otherwise it assigns 0. 7. The Pydantic AI Agent class provides a flexible way to manage LLM behavior by allowing dynamic configuration of model settings. By supplying a lambda function to the model settings parameter during agent initialization, developers can adjust parameters like temperature based on the run context, specifically the CTX, run step. This enables fine-grained control over the LLM's determinism, shifting from more predictable outputs in early steps to more exploratory ones later in a multi-step workflow. This pattern effectively decouples the static agent definition from its dynamic execution behavior, allowing for adaptive responses tailored to different phases of an agentic task.
Agents Lambda. First run, frozen, subsequent steps. A gentle 0.7 temperature bloom.